Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me right now is Jim Rakievich. He is the president and CEO of McCoy Global. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is MCB on the TSX, and McCoy Global will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase Vegas, happening April 30 through May 2nd, 2024. For more information, to register, to come see Jim's presentation in Vegas, please go to planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Jim, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Very well. Thank you for having me, Robert. I really appreciate the invitation.
Absolutely. It's great to have you. So this is actually our first time doing an interview together. So can you start us off with that quick overview and history of the company?
Sure. Well, McCoy's been around for well over 100 years, actually. It started as a family business and in Edmonton, and it's been it's on its third generation of McCoy family. It's sold to private equity in 1995, and then from there, the private equity group took the company public. I came into the company in 1996. My background is operations and running businesses. So they brought me in to turn around a couple of the businesses. And the company being from Edmonton and Alberta, a lot of the markets we played in were related to oil and gas. And the company's grown since then, and we've really narrowed the focus of what we do. We're really a technology company and provide products to our customers globally in the oil and gas industry, both land and offshore. And we have a tremendous amount of application experience in the organization.
Very good. Thank you for that full overview and history there. I know it's tough to say it's 100-year history, right? I'm going to do
Yeah,
it
we could have been
30
here a while.
seconds. Well, so then in your opinion, what would you say then also makes McCoy Global unique and different, your product and service set, as compared to some of your peers out there?
Well, one of the things, there's several things. The first most important thing is the people, and as I briefly mentioned, our expertise. We have probably the largest and most application experienced engineers in our group, and not just mechanical engineers, but software writers and data acquisition experts. And so we've got a lot of experienced people who really understand the markets globally. And the other thing that differentiates us is we actually do operate internationally. So we're not only have people based in North America to look after our customers. We also have a central hub in Dubai that looks after the Eastern Hemisphere. That also differentiates us from our competitors. And I guess one of the most key things is we have the broadest range of products related to what the end user needs. So we have competitors in each product line, but we're the ones that have all of the products.
Very good. So you kind of told us a little bit about your background at the beginning there, where you came into the company in 1996. So did you have experience prior to joining McCoy Global in oil and gas?
Yes, but not in this specific part of oil and gas, more on the transportation side. So yeah, I had to learn it, and it became very interesting. So you do what you got to do to get your hands around it. And to me, the best way has always been is go spend time with customers and get out into the operations and look at the application in the field. And it's gone great since then. I've spent the last 20 years now working in this particular market, spending time with customers globally, and as well as our folks around the world supporting them.
Very good. All right. So to close this out here, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2024?
Well, 2024 is a pretty pivotal year for us. In 2023, we were pretty happy with the results of some of the individual new technologies that we developed. We call them smart technologies. In this market that we play in, they've been running casing with the same kind of products and equipment for a long period, for decades. And so our objective has been for the last 6 years is to change the way that casing is run around the world and bring automation into the practice of running casing, so it's more efficient, safer, less people, and those kind of things. So we're pretty excited about that, and some of our technologies in 2023 became commercial as individual products, and so they've customers have accepted those technologies quite well, actually better than expected. So 2024 is putting these individual technologies together into an integrated package to get true automation.
Very good. All right. So with that, where can our audience go and find more information on McCoy Global?
www.mccoyglobal.com.
Very good. Well, Jim, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe, and I'll see you in Vegas.
My pleasure. Thank you.